Python program to test whether a number entered by the user is negative, positive or 0. So check for a number positive or negative or 0. So we need only one variable here, and the variable is num. As we know, in any programming language, we need to follow certain rules while naming a variable. It can be x, y, z. Here the variable is num. In Python, we use input function to read the data, and the input function always reads the data in the form of string, so we need to convert it into integer. We used int. So we have if condition here. If num is equal to 0, if this condition is true, you get the message the value is equal to 0. Elif, so we have else if as well as elif. Elif means if the number is not 0, then check another condition greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, if the condition is true, the number is positive. Else means if the condition is false. If it is not 0 and it is not positive, then it is a negative. So we used if elif notations here. Look at the if condition. We need to use double equal to for comparison. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. They are all relational operators.